Okay, I'm just gonna watch this.
Colorful magic balloon.
Oh my god, this like Max looks like he's gonna die. Bro, what? Bro looks like is literally. I think this. Bro, did you sunburn? Did you literally sunburn, bro? Oh my god, bro.
That's the best summer treat.
What is Mike and Mimi does not look hot, and Milo, poor little Milo, is just stuck in there.
Colorful ice cream
Bro, it looks like digital.
vending machine.
Insert
Bro's gonna fly.
a red coin, a red coin.
We don't need to press the red coin.
Press a red button.
So this effect happens when you press all the you get all the coins.
A red button.
Wow, a popsicle.
Popsicle. Popsicle. Mmm.
Bro, what the heck?
Insert a yellow coin.
Bro laughing out of got a damn reason.
A yellow coin. Press a yellow button. A yellow button. Wow, shaved ice. Shaved ice. Shaved ice.
Bro literally turned into ice for one day. Imagine if this ice gets broken, then May would be dead.
Oh, fun, colorful vending machine. We want something cold and sweet. Give us the best summer
Bro, this is funny.
treat. Colorful ice cream vending machine. Insert a green coin. A green.
This one does not look like Milo's color. It looks lime to me. And Milo's like dark green or something. Also, why do I see the limb looks a bit brown to me? When you zoom out, it's fine. When you zoom in, well, is black secretly brown?
Coin. Press a green button. A
Effects with the button? Wow.
green button. Wow, a self-serve.
It's technically ice cream. I don't know why.
Soft serve, soft serve. Mmm.
What the heck, bro? Bro just melted out of the dough. It looks like poop, not gonna lie. Every time I see an ice cream shaving or something, why do I always think it looks like poop?
Insert a blue coin. A blue coin. Press a blue button. A blue button.
Wow,
Nice snow cone.
snow cones.
Snow cone. Snow cone. Mmm.
Insert a purple coin, and press a purple button. Oh, right! Sherbet, sorbet.
I'm going to predict that Mimi likes sherbet and sorbet a lot.
Sherbet,
Even though they're both purple.
sorbet. Huh?
They just did pick this again.
Here's a giant gelato.
A giant gelato.
Why do bro, all of the meals have start with an S except for the giant gelato.
Oh, fun, colorful vending machine. We want something cold and sweet. Give us the best
Didn't Milo's ice cream already melted?
summer treat. Colorful ice
Not gonna lie, that video was like 2 to 3 or I don't know minutes, and you guys already finished it. Like, bro, you're gonna feel sick.
cream vending machine.
Like and subscribe, or you will act like this. Okay, see.